Like a splash a delay and a like a splash a reverb. Ease. You know what I mean? Run a one place, run a one part. Too much reverb, though. Too much. Yeah. That way too much. And I backdrop. Ace. Check it one. Check it one. Audio testing check. 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 1, 2, 3. See, no matter about you know. See, when I come to our original crew from early. Yeah, we come to our crew from early. Let's go and look behind themselves. See, I just want to make sure say talk a phone up on a level check. 1, 2, 3. Little reverb. It's a little drop of reverb, but we're good. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? We need to reverb it. That's a little bit. Ace. Ace. Yeah, bring it down just a notch. And we're good. Audio testing check. 1, 2, 3. Ace. If I go in your pocket, I look too much with a little plastic. See? Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Hatta Vybz upon the block. You know what thing, alright? We'll play one bad song and just introduce a song here to the world and we'll just move on. A song here, one bad song. A song here be one number one song. See? We just play top 10 and follow. Right, Chalice? We introduce song to the world. Hear that, girl? Listen to that song here. Ahora el baddest power sound para the girl.
Al principio no te voy a mentir. Madrugadas con risa y café sin prisa. Tus manos en mi pelo como si el tiempo sobrara. Y una forma de mirarme que me hacía sentir inmensa. Pero la miel se fue espesando hasta volverse trampa. Lo dulce se hizo denso y empecé a ahogarme. Ya no era noche larga de placer sino de espera. Ya no eran tus caricias sino tus ausencias. Fuimos.
Hey, artist, how I'm doing? That famous to the artist. Too much money for dub plate. Yeah, so I think I go. Next one. Yeah, that boy.
5 years ago, me did a war, everybody. Everybody a war me cause them want be smutty. Man, I worry, I'm a sign a war deal. Buy a war car with couple war wheel. Drive go a restaurant, consume a war meal. War man, animal and all, baby. War day, yeah. Me did a few war one lady.
One to Levi Chinka.
Oh, what a cool and deadly.
Which part of Jamaica we are go?
Sure. Some call it Spanish Town, but a prison over rock.
Yeah, I see, you know.
Some call it Spanish Town, but a prison over rock.
Walk one over there.
The prisoners were skanking while the warden were watching. Some tried to escape when them hear this music playing.
Because
until they hear what a jacket fashion, cock out them body what.
Excuse Kamara, find the hole. flashlight, the man have a find a hole. Rough. Run on one place, run on one part. Hey, Milwaukee, when I wickedest chill gun on face of planet. See it? And big up all for the outside, for the inside, big up all like who from early. What am I saying, run a black culture lounge, look a bit. That wicked brother, man. Hold tight.